it's inspired you. Now look, here's what I'm having. That is some of the tea in the pre-made bags, and that's nettles. Nettles is an herb. One of the people I know is very familiar with it. She can watch this now. And here's my really simple stove. Not the greatest. But the main thing I'm showing you today is something that I cooked, and it's from the produce that I've been getting directly from the farm. So let's take a look. This is why I stay so strong and healthy at 60 years old. And a lot of you in the Keyboa tribe, especially this year, is a 0, 58 on the Keyboa calendar, 58, and in the lunar count, it's 770 almost in the lunar years. Not solar years, lunar years. So we'll talk about that later in chronocosmonomy. But let's take a look, because this was full, and I basically took out some that I had to put in the refrigerator, a lot of the greens. I'll show you that also. And, you know, this one, and then they put some in the bag. Well, they put one in the bag here. So it comes directly from the farm. This is sort of like a golden berry. I don't know what they call it, because this is from, I'm in the tropical area, okay? So that's that. I want to eat it right now. Look at that. It's sort of sweet, okay? Sweet, a little tart, a unique flavor. Of course, you know these. Now these, you know, that's organic. You wouldn't find this in a Walmart or a corporate store. It's organic. Sometimes it's a part you need to cut off. But these are normal, acceptable problems that you might have. But they were grown organically, which is why they don't look perfect. They look natural. Sometimes you have to cut off a bad part. Sometimes it's just because it should have been harvested like a week or two before. But you never want to harvest something early. That's a big problem with non-organic. So you have this also. Very tasty. And you have these. And this is organic. It's real. See, those got like different colors. And then you got these. And believe it or not, they just kind of stay green. They're slightly yellow, but... and here's a special one that I want to show you. Because these I cooked. They're delicious. Alright, so those are growing a lot around here. And of course this. I will tell you the name. This is maize. Maize. Very famous, very well known. This is cebolla. Very well known. This I'm not sure. It's some kind of a squash. Then I guess these are all the same. All right. Now let's take a look that what I have cooked. We'll switch this so I can get at it a little better. That is the tea, the herbal tea. So here's the produce that I recently made to be able to show you. As you can see, these zanahoria, and there's another one. And here's the other thing, which is the nameless, because I couldn't really tell you what it's called. I don't think it's a Jerusalem artichoke. Why would they call it that? But this papas, this really broke apart because these things don't cook at the same timing, the same temperature and the same timing. These stayed hardest. These started to break apart. These broke apart. So these were the firmest. I'm going to eat this with the skin. I had different kinds of papas. So let's take this and look at it, because that's really the main thing for you to find out today, because I'm sure that none of you know about this yet. In the future, we all will know. We'll all grow this in the Keyboa tribe. Okay, see? So that's the thing that I'm showing you today. What does it look like inside? Pretty uniformly the same, but it is tasty and it's healthy. All of this that I got is organic. Okay? It's all organic. And that's the way we should live in Keyboa. Thanks for watching.